It's 1 a.m. You're exhausted, but you've been scrolling for 2 hours because your phone won't let you sleep. We've all been there. But did you know Android has a secret mode designed to literally force you to put the phone down? It's called Bedtime Mode, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set it up so that you can actually get some rest tonight. Now, the feature is unique to digital well-being on your Android phone and Google Clock, so you can access them from both applications. To access via digital well-being, on your Android phone, you want to tap on Settings, and under Settings, you want to scroll till you find Digital Well-being. Now, tap on Digital Well-being, and this will bring you here. Here, you want to scroll under Ways to Disconnect, and you see Bedtime Mode. Tap on this, and this will get you started. Now, on Google Clock, you want to open the application, and at the bottom right corner of your screen, you see Bedtime. Simply tap here, and it will bring you here to get started. Now, for both applications, you can install from your App Store. You can search for Digital Wellbeing, and you'll find it here. You can install and update to the latest version. You can also install the Google Clock. Now, to get started, tap on Get Started, and then you need to set up a wake-up alarm. So you can enter the alarm time in this section, and then select the days of the week you want applicable. You can choose if you want your phone to slowly brighten screen before your alarm. You can choose sound in this section, which will allow you to choose sound from your phone alarm collection. You'll also be able to use YouTube Music and Spotify. You can also choose if you want vibration and choose whether to show weather forecast after alarm. You can add routine in this section, which will enable you to add routines when you dismiss your alarm, such as asking for news updates and many more. You can order routine in this section. You can also tap on the routine and delete the routine in this section. You can create your own routine by tapping on add in this section, and you have many options you can select from here, such as get infos and alarm reminder, communicate and announce, adjust assistance volume, adjust home device, and many more. You can also scroll to the bottom to suggest actions. Once you're done, you can tap on save and your routine will be saved. Tap on next here, enter the start of your bedtime in this section, and then choose days of the week you want applicable. The reminder notification in this section, be able to choose when you want to get notifications before bedtime. And then in this section, you want to tap on bedtime mode. You'll be able to see your weekly summary here. You'll also be able to see your cough and snore activities as you use your device. If you scroll down a little, you see your bedtime routine, and you can choose to turn on while charging. You also see turn off bedtime mode at next alarm and customize mode in this section, which will allow you to customize notification you get from people, application, alarm, and other interruptions. For people here, you'll be able to choose messages and call. You can choose who can reach out to you during your bedtime. You can choose start contacts in this section. You'll be able to start contacts that will be added in that section here. You can also choose contacts, which will show you how to add from your contact and anyone. You also see option to allow repeat callers. And for apps, you'll be able to customize applications that you can get notifications from during your bedtime. And lastly, display settings in this section. You see the option to display option for filter notification, grayscale, which will change your screen to black and white, keep the screen dark with disable always on display, dim the wallpaper, and enable dark theme. You can customize all in this section here. Now once you're done, you can go back in this section and then tap on done. As you start using bedtime mode, your bedtime routine will start appearing and updating in these sections. You'll be able to see your bedtime activities, such as your snoring, most used applications during your bedtime, and more. As you start using bedtime mode, you start seeing more details about your sleep pattern. You'll be able to view more data about the bedtime when you tap on the time. You see your time in bed, screen time, as well as coughing and snoring. So you find those details here. At any point you want to delete your bedtime activities, you can tap on the three dots here, and then you see manage data, and you see the option to disable several activities such as daily device usage, bedtime sensors data, and then cough and snore info. Now tap on delete bedtime data, and then tap on delete. This will delete the bedtime data, and your next use of bedtime, those activities will be taken out. Now if you scroll down here a little, you will see listen to sleep sound, which will allow you play some music while you sleep. Simply tap on choose a sound in this section and you can choose from the default sleep sounds, YouTube Music, and Spotify. So you need to connect your account to be able to use YouTube Music and Spotify. Under sleep sounds, you will see your upcoming event if you want to connect your Google clock to your calendar so that your events will update with your bedtime mode. Now when you tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to see screensaver. When you tap on this will take your phone to screensaver mode. When you tap on the screen, it will return you back. You can also see the options for settings here, where you're able to sync alarm and many more. Here you see hide recent activities, sleep sound, and upcoming events. When you choose to hide any of these, they'll be removed from your dashboard. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.